Bingo Cash and Blackout Bingo are both real money bingo games, but they reward different playing styles. The better choice is usually the one that matches how you play, not the one with the biggest advertised prize. By the end of this video, you'll know the biggest differences between Bingo Cash and Blackout Bingo, so you can decide which app is a better fit for you. The first difference is gameplay. Bingo Cash combines traditional bingo with a matching puzzle that becomes part of your final score. That means you're balancing fast number recognition with quick matching decisions throughout the game. Blackout Bingo focuses on filling your bingo card while completing objectives and maximizing your score within the game's rules. Both reward speed and accuracy, but the gameplay feels different once you've played a few matches. Both apps offer practice games and paid tournaments in eligible locations. You enter cash contests by paying an entry fee, compete against players with similar scores, and receive a prize only if you finish high enough on the leaderboard. Neither app guarantees winnings, and every paid tournament carries financial risk. If you're new to skill-based cash games, spend time in practice mode before entering paid contests. Learning the controls, card layout, and scoring system usually has a bigger impact than immediately moving into higher entry tournaments. Another difference is personal preference. Some players enjoy the extra matching challenge in Bingo Cash because it keeps every second of the game active. Others prefer Blackout Bingo because the gameplay feels closer to a traditional bingo experience with its own scoring mechanics. Neither approach is objectively better. It depends on which one allows you to play more consistently. You should also compare each app's account verification process, supported payment methods, and withdrawal experience before depositing money. Those features can affect your overall experience just as much as the gameplay itself. No matter which app you choose, avoid increasing your entry fees after a losing streak. A larger tournament doesn't improve your odds of winning. It only increases the amount you're risking. Playing within a budget and improving your skills gradually is usually the smarter, long-term approach. Here's the bottom line. Bingo Cash and Blackout Bingo both offer competitive skill-based tournaments, but they emphasize different gameplay styles. Choose the app whose mechanics feel more natural to you, practice before entering cash games, and only play with money you're comfortable risking. If this comparison helped you choose between the two, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons, reviews, and troubleshooting guides.